Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of some icons not showing up on the taskbar. So in my case, you can see that some icons like power, network and volume are not available on my taskbar. To fix this, you'll need to go to taskbar settings, right click on the taskbar, then click on taskbar settings. So once this window opens, just scroll down. On the notification area, click on this first link. So once you're here, you can look for the icon that you want to appear. So let's say power. So you can click on this button to toggle the visibility of the icon on the taskbar. Notice that when it is on, the icon appears on the taskbar. So let's do the same for network. You can see that it has appeared. And then for volume, you can see that it has also appeared. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.